Tanigo, a disposable and recyclable dental device combining the suction, mirror, and retraction functions to work simultaneously. Attached easily to the dentist's chair. The instructions of how Tanigo should be used, as demonstrated in the Tanigo tutorial, are appropriate to single practitioner procedures performed by hygienists, dental medical school students, and dentists who are compelled or choose to work without an assistant. Treating the upper left buccal area. Tanigo suction and retraction functions operating simultaneously. Cheek buccal is retracted by the mirror side of Tanigo. The view to the treatment area is direct. The head is tilted slightly to the right, where the saliva ejector is placed. Suction is done by the Tanigo surrounding intakes. Treating the upper left palatinal area. Tanigo suction, retraction, and mirror functions operating simultaneously. Tongue is retracted by the back side of the Tanigo head. The view to the treatment area is indirect, via the Tanigo mirror. The head is tilted slightly to the right, where the saliva ejector is placed. Suction is done by Tanigo's surrounding intakes.